10 course code, 10-0 caution, 10-1 unable to copy, 10-2 signal good, 10-3 slow down, 10-4 copy, 10-5 relay, 10-6 busy, 10-7 cut off of service, 10-8 in service monitor, 10-9 repeat, 10-10 over, 10-11 inquiry, 10-12 standby, 10-13 wither, 10-14 get, 10-15 reply, 10-16 problem, 10-17 request, 10-18 logs, 10-19 return, 10-20 location, 10-21 telephone, 10-22 cancel, 10-23 arrive, 10-23 arrive at scene, 10-24 follow up, uh, 10-25 meet in person, 10-26 victim, driver's license, 10-27 driver license, uh, 10-26 victim, 10-28 vehicle plate number, 10-29 verify, 10-30 water supply, 10-31 approval result, 10-32 man with gun, 10-33 urgent, 10-34 riot, crime in progress, 10-35 crime alert, 10:36 correct of time, 10:37 fuel, 10:38 local police, 10:39 urgent, 10:40 robbing, 10:41 operative, 10:42 pull out, 10:43 status, 10:44 regards, 10:45 mobile, 10:46 assist motorist, 10:47 emergency, 10:48 road needs prepare, 10:49 traffic situation, 10:15 accident, 10:51 regular need, 10:52 cost ambulance, 10:53 heavy traffic road block, 10:54 investigator, 10:55 electric power, 10:56 intoxicated person, 10:57 hit and run, 10:58 direct traffic, 10:49 body, 10:60 hospital, 10:61 doctor, 10:62 medicine, 10:63 assignment completed, 10:64 message, 10:65 assignment, 10:16 need, 10:67 mail, 10:68 dispatch, 10:69 message received, 10:70 fire alarm, 10:71 nature of fire, 10:72 rally, 10:73 additional fire truck, 10:74 negative, 10:75 permission to contact, 10:76 proceeding en route, 10:77 Jetta, 10:78 need assistant, 10:79 dead person, 10:80 kidnapping, 10:81 stolen vehicle, 10:82 spare, 10:83 found vehicle, 10:84 time of departure, 10:85 will be late, 10:86 missing person, 10:87 female, 10:88 telephone number, 10:89 found person, 10:90 bank alarm robbery, 10:91 unnecessary use of radio, 10:92 drugs, 10:93 address, 10:94 drug racing, 10:95 operation, 10:96 Jaguar visitor, 10:97 check test signal, 10:98 advice call sign unhandled, 10:99 home base, 10:100 office, 10:101 statement of accounts, 10:102 collector treasurer, 10:103 money, 10:104 change frequency, 10:105 mechanic, 10:106 modulation going on, 10:107 antenna, 10:108 radio license, 10:109 uniform, 10110 equipment, 10111 portable radio, 10112 base mobile radio, 10113 booster, 10114 power supply, 10115 battery, 10116 repeater, 10117 computer, 10118 rotator, 10119 coax cable, 10120 gunshot stab wood, 10121 heart attack, 10122 stroke, 10123 fracture, 10124 bleeding cesarean, 10125 hypertensive hypertensive emergency, 10126 10126 inpatient, 10127 out of patient, 10128 operator, 10129 son daughter, 10130 secretary, 10131 relative employee, 10132 driver, 10133 wife spouse, 10134 national office, 10135 region group officer, 10136 NTC, 10137 NBI clearance, 10138 police clearance, 10139 necessary papers, 10140 React ID, 10141 React base, 10142 priest, 10143 charge, 10144 checking in, 10145 battery drain, 10146 thank you, 10147 okay, 10148 sorry, 10149 danger, 10150 splitter, 10151 neutral call, 10152 holiday, 10153 frequency, 10154 bring, 10155 allow, 10156 sleep, 10157 follow, 10158 start, 10159 picture, 10160 on board, 10161 participate join, 10162 on leave, 10163 long distance, 10164 resume, 10165 birthday, 10166 city town proper, 10167 helicopter, 10168 serious condition, 10169 national convention, 10117 regional forum, 10171 area conference, 10172 gen membership meeting, 10173 board meeting, 10174 committee meeting, 10175 annual kiosk, 10176 amateur group, 10177 non-tractor, 10178 applicant respect member, 10179 banner, 10180 fundraising project, 10181 honorary member, 10182 associate member, 10183 sustaining member, 10184 mayor office, 10185 government officials, 10186 military personnel, 10187 civilian, 10188 fire department, 10189 local power company, 10190 highway patrol, 10191 CRSF, 10192 price, 10193 comfort room, 10194 fax, 10195 cellular phone, 10196 modem, 10197 pager, 10198 internet, 10199 foreigner, 10200 helpless.